Hi guys, Naresh here from My Producer Journey. Welcome back. So this is the third week of My Producer Journey challenge that I'm doing, effectively trying to build a habit of producing something every day. Took the weekend off a little bit to kind of regroup a few things and tidy up a few things on my computer, and I think it's probably one of the benefits of going through this process of trying to create something every day. You find out where the sort of gaps are in your workflow. So one of the things I was looking at is the sample library again. My sort of process that I'm going through in terms of generating ideas, thinking about the hardware behind me as well. But it was a bit of time off as well, so I didn't make as much progress as I wanted to. But I did end up having a bit more time to look at automation on the track that I was working on from Friday, and that's based on the ghost arrangement that we did last week. That there's a video on already, and so today I've just kind of played around with it a little bit more and kind of left it there. I guess in the week I was watching or I was reading something, and the idea of I'm not producing here to kind of make a hit track. The idea is just to learn, and so it doesn't really matter what it sounds like. So if you're doing something similar, take that kind of advice. Don't worry about what it sounds like, or what it looks like, I guess you could say, because I'm looking at my screen here, and I'll show you in a moment. You might think that you could do more an automation, tidy up a bit more, color code it better, and I think these are things that I guess I'm not journaling. It's probably a problem here, making a mental note, and I think maybe there's something I need to start doing a bit more better, that I can then maybe factor in that time, maybe at the weekend, to kind of look at these learning points and build out on them. And that's probably something I might do, actually, thinking about it. It's a pretty good idea. One of the things I had from the beginning, I said I would journal, and I'm doing this video blogging as a journal, rather than writing something down, and I guess maybe that's the value here. So yeah, let me show you anyway quickly what this looks like. So if I click on start recording, right, so this is the overall track. Remember, I was using the Eats Everything ghost arrangement. We put in the packs, sample packs in there, which I've got now membership to Splice. So one of my activities will be definite to now look at my sample library again. I know I've been saying it for a few weeks now, but no excuse, I guess. Splice looks pretty good, the way it's organized in terms of genres and BPMs, and I think maybe that might even help me actually organize my sort of sample library. So I'm going to have a little look and investigate about that. And in terms of the idea itself, I guess I was playing around with the two ideas of either creating a automation to make a variation, or structural change, instrument change. I stuck to really automation here. You can see some of the automation lines in here, mainly playing around with the filter, like a beat repeat here on here, this one on my which one is it? I think it is, I think it's my lead. I got the delay on this one as well, and I was playing around with the filter. So we're just doing some basic things, really, kind of refreshing myself what I need to be looking at in my sort of learning sessions. And I guess one way to think about it is that trying to produce something here is really just informing the learning session. That's where my gaps are coming out on, and I guess maybe that's fine. Maybe that's what how it goes in the early days. So that's something I'll probably look at. But yeah, so nothing massive there. I stuck a drone in here as well this time. I guess that's another learning point, thinking about what kind of goes into some of these techno tracks. And one of the ways you can learn, obviously, is by looking at professional tracks and picking out the sounds. So that's, one way is obviously using it to find out arrangements and track structures, but also the sounds they use, and that's not something I've done before. So maybe I might pick a few of those out, and maybe some of the days this week, rather than produce something, I'll go through and then feedback to you guys how that goes down. But okay, I'm going to stop there. It's a quick 5 minutes. I realized that going into I'm going to click stop there. Going into too much detail requires me to then edit all these videos, and then I spend probably best part of an hour trying to put the videos together, add a view, start and end bits, and upload them, and they take forever when they're 15-20 minutes, and I think that's eating into the music productions journey that I'm trying to do here. So for now, I'm just going to focus on the music, the learning, and in terms of what you guys are going to hear and see is probably just this daily vlogs, a quick 5-10 minute video, and hopefully you can follow along, and if there's comments you can make and any pointers from what you're hearing and what you're seeing from me, let me know, guys. But yeah, so I'm going to leave it there. It's 11 p.m. on a Monday night. My eyes are getting cloudy and tired now, so I'm going to leave it there. But okay guys, thanks very much. Subscribe, and for those who have subscribed and following along, thank you very much, really appreciated it. It's actually probably something that's helping me actually keep on doing this and throwing out, because you guys, I guess, just help by subscribing. It makes me feel that someone's listening, so thank you. All right, I'll stop. Take care now. Good night. See you on the next one. Bye bye.